So the length of a chord of contact of the tangents drawn from the point 2, 5 to the parabola y square is equal to 8x is four options are there. So this example depends upon this theory here. I will explain here. There is a parabola. There is a parabola. Equation of the parabola is y square equal to 4ax. And Px11 is a point outside this parabola. It just draws the tangents here. Here PQ and PR are tangents to this parabola. Then the Q and R are the points of contact here. If we join a Q and R, then it is a chord here. It is called a chord of contact here. Hence the PQ, PR tangents to the parabola drawn from the pointer x1, then QR is called a chord of contact of the parabola, and its equation is y1 is equal to 2a into x plus x1 here. Here it is very simple method here. This is the equation of parabola here. Okay, we just replace y square by y by 1 here. Replace y square by y by 1 and replace this x by x plus x1 divided by 2. So replace here y square by y by 1. So y by 1. Then 4a into replacing x by this here x plus x1 divided by 2 here. Then 2 ones are 2 to the cancels here. So this is the equation here. So you are using the same method here. So y square is equal to 8x is the parabola. Then the given point here x1 y1 is 2 5. So according to this here, replacing y square by y by 1, y into y1 is 5. So write here 5. Then 8 into replacing x by x plus x1 by 2. X1 value is 2. So x plus 2 divided by 2. Therefore 5y. It is a 5y. 2 ones are 2 4s are 4 into bracket x plus 2. Then take 4 inside the bracket here. 5y is equal to 4x plus 8 here. Take it left side here. 5y minus of 8 is equal to 4x here. Okay. So take the equation of the parabola as 1 here. And take this one as equation number 2. Okay. Therefore, in this case, use this result here. Y square from 1 here. From equation 1, y square is equal to 8x can be written as 2 into 4x here. 2 into 4x. Replace this 4x is equal to 5y minus 8 here. Therefore, y square is equal to 2 into 5y minus 8. 5y minus of 8 here. Just replace 4x by this here. Therefore, y square here 2 into 5, 10. Take 10y left side here. Minus of 10y. 2, 8 is 16. Take minus 16 this side here. Plus 16 that is equal to 0. Then it is a quadratic equation here. Therefore, product of two numbers should be 16 and the sum of two numbers should be minus 10 here. So obviously two numbers are 8 and 12. So y square minus of 8y minus 2y plus 16 is equal to 0 here. Then here y is a common factor here. Y is a common, y minus of 8 here. And here minus of 2 is a common factor here. Y minus of 8 is equal to 0. Y minus 8 common factor here. Y minus 8 is a common. Then y minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 12. Substitute those y here in the equation 2 here. Then y is equal to 8 here. Substitute here 4x. 4x is equal to 5 into 8. 5 into 8 minus of 8 here. From equation number 12. Therefore 4x Then 8 5 are 40. 40 minus 8 32. Therefore take up for right hand side here. X equal to 32 divided by 4. Hence x equal to 18. Therefore y is 8, x is 8 here. Therefore 8 comma 8 is the point of contact here. Similarly, y is equal to 2. Again substitute in the same equation here. When y is equal to 2. When y is equal to 2 here. So 4x is equal to 5 into 2 here. 5 into minus of 8. Then so 4x 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 8 is a 2 here. Take up for right hand side. That is a 1 upon 2. Therefore, x value 1 by 2. Y value is a 2 here. Is a point of contact here. Okay, take this point as a Q and this point as a R here. Therefore, length of chord of contact here. Therefore, length of the chord of contact using a distance formula QR is equal to root of 8 minus 1 by 2 whole square here. 8 minus 1 by 2 whole square, then plus 8 minus 2 whole square here. So 8 minus of 2 whole square. Therefore, this equal to root of here 2 LCM here. 8 to 2s are 16. 16 minus 1 becomes a 15. So 15 by 2 whole square plus 8 minus 2, 6 square here. Therefore, this is equal to root of 15 square is 225. 225 divided by 2 square is 4 here. And 6 square is 36. Therefore, this equal to root of, so 4 LCM here, 36 into 4. So 36 into 4, 6 4s are 24, 4 is 12 plus 2, 14 here. Plus 225, 225, 5 plus 4 is 9, 6, 2 plus 1 is 3, 369, 369. Here 369 is there. So you can write here root of 9 into 41 divided by 4 here. 9 into 41 by 4. Then square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 4 is 2. Hence the answer is, I am writing here. So QR is equal to 3 divided by 2 root of 41 here is the answer. Length of chord of contact is 3 by 2 root of 41 here. So C correct option is. If P into bracket 80 square comma 280 be one end of the focal chord of the parabola, y square is equal to 4x, then length of the chord is, okay. So meaning here there is a parabola. There one point here 80 square comma 280 here. Then this is a focal chord here. Focal chord means here the chord passing through focus here. The chord passing through focus, then it is called a focal chord here. Then we find the length of the focal chord here. Find the length of the focal chord. 4 options are there. So again this example depends upon this theory here. If a chord joining the points here, so consider this point as a 81 square comma 281 here. And here this point 82 square comma 282 is a chord here. Okay, the chord joining the points here. Okay, and this chord means a chord passing through focus because it is a focal chord here. Focal chord always passes through focus here. So this is the equation of a chord joining 2 points here. This is the equation of a chord here. equation of chord joining two points. This one. Yeah, these are the 2 points here. Equation of this chord is this here. Since that chord passes through focus here, hence this equation satisfied. Here y coordinate is 0. So put y 0 here. So 0 into any term is 0. Then x is here. This is a. So substitute here 2a plus 2a t1 t2. Take 2a this side here. It becomes minus 2a. Therefore 2a, this 2a cancels here. T1 t2 is equal to minus 1. Hence t2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Okay, t2 is minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, here one end is 80 square comma 280. So P 80 square comma 280. Therefore, other end must be what here? Other end is t2 is what here? According to this here, minus 1 upon. So use here, substitute here. Therefore, so a into t becomes 1 by t, 1 by t square. Hence it is a t square because the minus becomes plus. Therefore, minus of 2a divided by t, 2a divided by t. Okay, according to this result here. So if t2 is minus 1 by t1 here, so 81 comma to 81. So substitute t2 is equal to this minus 1 upon t1. So then this becomes what here? Plus a by t1 square comma 2a divided by t1 minus 2a by t1. So you are using that formula here. So one end is 80 square comma 280. The other end of the focal chord is 80 square a upon t square minus 2a upon t, using this result here. Okay. So our ends of focal chord here. We are using this result here. So we want its length here. Use the distance formula. So root of so 80 square minus of 80 square a upon t square here. 80 square minus of a divided by t square. It's a square here. Then plus minus 2a upon t, minus 2a upon t, minus of 280, minus of 280, it's a square here. We are using a distance formula. Here we can take a common factor in this bracket here. Hence root of so a square into bracket t square minus of 1 by t square, it's a square. You are taking a common, but square is there, so it is a square. Even here also, you can take a minus to a common factor. Minus to a common, since a square is there, minus becomes a plus here. 2 square is a 4. 4a square into bracket 1 upon t plus t here. Means a t plus 1 upon t, it's a square. You can write like this. So, minus to a common factor, since a square is there, minus become plus 4a square, then remaining a t plus 1 by t. Therefore, this equal to root of so a square, and here you use a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b formula. Hence, this is a t square minus 1 by t square, and the whole square is there. So t plus 1 upon t square into t minus of 1 by t square, then plus 4a square into bracket 1 plus 1 by t, it's a square. Okay. Here a square is there, t plus 1 by t whole square. A square t plus 1 by t whole square, take a common, and square root is there, so square root and square cancels here. Yes, right here a into bracket t plus 1 by t. Then root of remaining is this t minus of 1 by t square, then plus 4, so plus 4. Okay, so square root is there. Yes, square root and square cancels here. Square root and square cancels, remaining only a into t plus 1 by t. Therefore, remaining term here this plus 4 here. Therefore, this equal to a into t plus 1 upon t. Then root of exponent here. So t square plus 1 by t square minus of 2t into 1 by t plus 4 here. Using here a minus b whole square, t square plus then this 1 by t whole square minus 2 into t into 1 by t into 1 by t plus 4. T and this t cancels here. Therefore, a into bracket t plus 1 upon t into root of so t square plus 1 by t square 4 minus 2 becomes 12. Okay. Therefore, this equal to a into t plus 1 upon t into root of t square plus 1 by t square plus 2 into t into 1 by t, multiplying and dividing by t. Then obviously it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. Hence a into t plus 1 upon t into root of t plus 1 by t, it's a square. Then the square root and the square cancels here. A into t plus 1 upon t into t plus 1 upon t here. Yes, a into bracket t plus 1 by t, it's a square. So a into t plus 1 upon t whole square. So fourth option is correct. So here the length of common chord of the parabola y square is equal to x and x square is equal to y. So there are two parabolas here. So one parabola is like this here. This equation is y square equal to x. Then another parabola is like this here. This equation x square is equal to y. Here these are the point of contact here. One is origin. You find this point here. If I join here OP, then this becomes a common chord here. Here we want its a length here. First we find a coordinate on the point of P. Okay, therefore here the y square is equal to x. Take equation number 1 here. X square is equal to y, equation number 2. So y is equal to x square, use yes. Okay, put equation 2 in the equation 1 here. So substitute y is equal to x square, hence x square, it's a square is equal to x here. Take x left side here, this x is to 4 minus of x is equal to 0, x common factor here, x cube minus 1 equal to 0, hence x equal to 0, x cube minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x cube is equal to 1, hence x is equal to 1 here. So use x equal to 0 in any one equation here. Suppose if you substitute in the first equation, then x equal to 0, then y becomes 0. Then y is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, then y is also 0. When x is equal to 1 here, you can take the second equation also, no problem. You will get the same result here. Then x is equal to 1, y square is equal to 1. If y square is 1, then y value is 1 here. Then y is equal to 1 here. So this part is 1 comma 1 here. Therefore, point of contact is p into bracket 1 comma 1 here. Okay. Therefore, and x is 0. Point of contacts are P11 and origin 0, 0. These are the points of contacts here. Okay, therefore, here we want its a distance here. Use the distance formula, root of 1 minus 0 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square. So root 2 is the answer. So C correct option here.